In the heart of a vast vineyard, stretching as far as the eye can see, millions of grapevines sway gently in the breeze. These lush green fields are the beginning of an incredible journey, one that transforms tiny, delicate grapes into a global sensation. Every grape starts its life under the watchful eyes of skilled farmers. They carefully prune the vines, ensuring only the healthiest grapes grow. The climate, the soil, and even the amount of sunlight are meticulously controlled to produce the perfect fruit. But nature alone isn't enough. Modern technology steps in to take grape production to an entirely new level. Once the grapes ripen to perfection, it's harvest time. But this isn't just any ordinary harvest. Massive automated grape-picking machines roll through the vineyards, shaking the vines with just the right amount of force. This causes ripe grapes to fall onto conveyor belts while leaving unripe ones behind. Within minutes, thousands of grapes are collected, significantly faster than traditional hand-picking methods. These freshly harvested grapes are transported in temperature-controlled trucks to the mega factory. Upon arrival, they go through their first challenge: sorting. High-speed conveyor belts carry the grapes under laser scanners. These machines use advanced AI technology to detect color, size, and even internal quality, instantly rejecting any defective grapes. Only the finest make it through. Next, the grapes head into a giant water bath. This isn't just a quick rinse. It's a high-tech cleansing process that removes dirt, pesticides, and bacteria. Powerful jets of purified water and natural disinfectants swirl around, ensuring every grape is spotless. But the cleaning process doesn't stop there. They also go through an air-drying tunnel, where strong yet gentle blasts of air remove excess moisture, preparing them for the next stage. Now comes the crucial step: destemming. Giant rotating drums equipped with soft rubber brushes separate the grapes from their stems without damaging the delicate fruit. Any remaining leaves or twigs are whisked away by suction tubes, leaving behind nothing but plump, juicy grapes. At this point, the factory splits into multiple sections, each dedicated to a different grape-based product. Some grapes are destined for fresh packaging, others for juices, and some will become raisins or wine. For the fresh grape section, the selected grapes travel down the conveyor belts toward packaging. Robotic arms carefully weigh and sort them into eco-friendly containers. Each bunch is inspected once again before being sealed with freshness-preserving technology. Some packages even have smart labels that change color to indicate the best time to eat them. Meanwhile, another section of the factory is transforming grapes into juice. Here, massive industrial crushers gently press the grapes, extracting their sweet nectar without breaking the seeds, which could make the juice bitter. The extracted juice flows into large stainless steel tanks, where it undergoes filtration to remove any impurities. Then, it's pasteurized to kill bacteria while preserving its natural taste. Finally, automated filling machines pour the juice into bottles at lightning speed, sealing them airtight to lock in the freshness. But what about raisins? Their journey is just as fascinating. Selected seedless grapes travel to enormous drying chambers, where they are exposed to carefully controlled heat and airflow. This process slowly removes moisture while preserving flavor and nutrients. Over several days, the grapes shrink into chewy, sweet raisins. Once dried, they go through another round of sorting and cleaning before being packed into airtight containers, ready for snacks, cereals, and baking. And then, there's the most luxurious transformation: grapes into wine. In a separate, highly controlled section of the factory, the finest grapes undergo a detailed fermentation process. They are crushed in high-tech wine presses, and the juice is transferred into fermentation tanks, where yeast works its magic, turning sugar into alcohol. The process varies depending on the type of wine being made: red, white, or sparkling. Some wines age for months, even years, in oak barrels before being bottled, labeled, and shipped to stores worldwide. Throughout the entire factory, quality control is taken to the next level. Lab technicians continuously test samples for taste, sugar content, and purity. If a batch doesn't meet the highest standards, it never reaches consumers. Finally, the finished products, fresh grapes, juice, raisins, and wine, are loaded onto refrigerated trucks and cargo ships, ready to be distributed to supermarkets and stores worldwide. From farm to table, every step is designed to deliver the freshest, highest quality grapes possible.